Very good afternoon to all. Uh, Today's experiment is step response of first order RC network. You all of you know that the whenever we are connecting resistor R and capacitor C in series with to each other, then it is called as a RC network. We can call it as a RC network, and it is a first order control system. And you all of you know very well what is a step input. The step input we will applying from this power supply. It is 5 volt. Right now we are applying to this RC network. Then you can observe that on a CRO. You can observe that on a CRO. Now I off this switch. Whenever I on this switch, you can observe here the characteristics, and you can observe that this type of charging curve on a DSO. Okay. Now then we will afterwards we will go for the measurement of now we will stop it. See here what happened. Whenever I apply the step input, means right now we are applying around 5 volt to this RC network, and we are observing, see, now we are observing the voltage across this capacitor on a DSO, and the DSO is digital storage oscilloscope. Now the most important part is that we are interested to measure the voltage at 10% of its maximum voltage here, and then write down the time required to reach at 10% of its maximum voltage one by one. Now you can observe here whatever the 100% value is there, how many division they have taken. Total 2 division मध्ये किती lines येते horizontal 10. That's why one that small division is nothing but 10%. Then you can understand that ki what happened over there. जर या 10 small दिसत आहे ना तुम्हाला, एक डिव्हिजन मध्ये किती 5 आहेत, ह्या 5 आणि 5 10 झाल्यात. Means whatever the 100% voltage taken by this capacitor is at this point. It is an 100% charging voltage gained by the capacitor. Then how many divisions is there? 10 divisions. मग आपण बघा इथे काय घेतलं. सी फायनल व्होल्टेज किती आहे मग 2.2 बेसिकली. तर फायनल 2.2 म्हणजे ह्या एक डिव्हिजन 2 आणि ही एक छोटी वरती आहे म्हणून 2.2 इंटू व्होल्ट पर डिव्हिजन किती 2 वर. दॅट्स वाय इट इज 2.2 इंटू 2 बिकम 4.4 व्होल्ट. You all of you know very well we are applying approximately that voltage 4.4 volt. That's why our capacitor is completely charged to 4.4 volt. At which time period? Now see, you all of you know very well how to measure the time period. See, you can observe that here. See, complete one division and that 2 division means 1.4. 1.4 जर आपण पकडलं तर now you can understand that at 1.4 division in horizontal direction, at a 1.4 your capacitor is completely charged. That's why time required to attain the final value 1.4 into time per division किती आहे 500 millisecond. That's why 700 millisecond means capacitor takes 700 millisecond to reach at its final value. Then next point is that how we can measure the 10% of its maximum voltage. 10% पोचायला बघा लक्षात घ्या, एक छोटी ही जी स्मॉल डिव्हिजन आहे ही आपण 10 ची पकडली तर देन यू कॅन अंडरस्टँड दॅट. त्याला आपण तिकडे मूव करून घेऊ थोडंसं. ओके, देन यू कॅन अंडरस्टँड हियर एक डिव्हिजन म्हणजे 10% झाले, फायनलच्या 10% झाले. एक हॉरिझॉन्टल एक स्मॉल युनिट म्हणजे 10% झालं. देन यू कॅन अंडरस्टँड दॅट इट इज अ 0.1 इंटू 2. That's why it's here. We can say it is 0.2 into 2 volt per division किती आहे वर आहे, म्हणजे इट इज 0.4 व्होल्ट. म्हणजे 10%चं व्होल्टेज किती आहे? whenever your capacitor charging voltage at a 10% out of its maximum value, whenever capacitor charging voltage is at 10% of its maximum value, then in that case the voltage is 0.4 volt, and the time is required. Then horizontally तुम्ही बघू शकतात की एक स्मॉल युनिट पेक्षाही कमी वेळ लागलेला आहे. म्हणजे वी कॅन से इट इज 1.8, सॉरी हियर 0.1, एकच पकडले आपण. 0.1 इंटू टाईम पर डिव्हिजन कितीवर आहे? 500 मिलीसेकंदवर. म्हणून दॅट्स वाय 500 मिलीसेकंड इंटू 0.1, 50 मिलीसेकंड. म्हणजे काय? सी, ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड इट. वॉट एव्हर द capacitor charging, its 10% of its maximum voltage is nothing but 0.4 volt, and to attain that 10% of its maximum voltage it's required 50 millisecond. Okay, now the 90% लक्षात घ्या. 100% इथपर्यंत आहे, तर 90% म्हणजे 9 लाईन्स. टोटल 100% पोचण्यासाठी त्याला 10 डिव्हिजन लागतात. आपण 9 डिव्हिजनचं बघू. मग 9 डिव्हिजनला काय आहे? 1.8. यू कॅन सी, हे व्होल्टेज व्हर्टिकली मोजायचं आहे, व्हर्टिकली डिव्हिजन्स मोजायचे आहेत. तर 1 डिव्हिजन आणि ते पुढचे 8, 1.8. सी, ॲट 90% ऑफ इट्स मॅक्सिमम व्होल्टेज इज 1.8 इंटू 2. नाव व्होल्टेज इज 3.6 व्होल्ट. नाव अबाउट टाइम पिरियड, हाऊ मच टाइम पिरियड इट टेकन टू रिच ॲट इट्स 90% ऑफ इट्स मॅक्सिमम व्हॅल्यू. मग बघा तुम्ही, इट इज what? It is 0.8. You can observe here 0.8. इथे दिसते का? हे बघा, हे 0.8. Okay, that's why the time required to reach at its 90% of its maximum value is 0.8 into time per division is at 500 millisecond. It become 400 millisecond. Its meaning is that the capacitor charging voltage is at 3.6 volt, which is nothing but 90% of its maximum value, and it's required 400 millisecond to attain the 90% of its maximum value. In this way, we will now connecting the different capacitor and resistor and note down the readings, and we will see what happening over there. Okay. In this way, we are taking a readings for different values of resistor and capacitor. Then this is an observation table of this experiment number 3rd. Test the steps response of RC order circuit. Then you can we are taking a first reading. You know very well now how we are taking a readings of this RC network. Then the most important thing is that now you can tally here. Whenever we are replacing a resistor of 1 kilo ohm by the 10 kilo ohm, then you can observe here. Then the time required to reach at 10% of maximum voltage is 0.2 second, and you can observe at a 90% of its maximum voltage, it is 3.6, and it required the 5 second. Last time we required the 400 millisecond to reach at a 90% of its maximum voltage, but now we require the 5 second to reach at 90% of its maximum voltage, and the